How to convert SPayLater to GCash. So to do this, ensure that your SPayLater feature is activated in the Shopee app. Once activated, Shopee will provide you with a spending limit based on your payment history and behaviors. Now locate a Maya Center, formerly known as a Smart Padala, near you. Inquire if they accept SPayLater for cash out transaction. If they do, request their QR code for the transaction. Now just go and open your Shopee app, open the navigation to cash out section, scan the QR code provided by the merchant, enter the amount you wish to cash out, confirm the SPayLater is available as a payment option for this transaction. Select SPayLater and choose your repayment plan. Complete the payment process. After successfully completing after the transaction, you should receive cash equivalent to the amount you cashed out from SPayLater balance. Now, availability of SPayLater for cash out may vary for depending on location and individual account status, so it might not work for everyone. If there are no nearby Maya centers, consider reaching out through social media platform where some users have found assistance in cashing out their SPayLater balance. Thanks for watching.